While the aging Nintendo Switch did receive some amazing new releases in 2022, the PC and Android area may have seen the most activity, particularly when it comes to cloud gaming. 2022 was a great year for handheld gaming consoles. Our focus was primarily on gadgets like Valve's Steam Deck and the Logitech G Cloud, but in the middle of October, one of the biggest brands in gaming hardware unveiled a teaser for its own future handheld, the Razer Edge. We anticipated the Edge's release in 2023 based on the popularity of the Razer Kishi controller accessory, but when I finally had the opportunity to use the Razer Edge at Consumer Electronics Show 2023, where I also learned more about the release schedule and saw the remainder of Razer's significant hardware announcements. The Razer Edge, a new handheld gaming gadget from the firm famed for its gaming goods, was just unveiled at the current Consumer Electronics Show 2023. When combined, the device, which is effectively a tablet with a detachable Razer Kishi V2 Pro controller, offers a portable gaming handheld that resembles the Switch and can play Android and cloud-based games. The 6.8-inch AMOLED screen on the Razer Edge has a screen resolution of 2400 by 1080 pixels and a refresh rate of 144 Hz. The Qualcomm Snapdragon G3x Gen 1 CPU, which is developed for gaming and promises active cooling during extended gaming sessions, powers the smartphone. It is the only product on the market right now that is powered by this unique chipset. The device has 128 GB of native UFS 3.1 storage and 8 GB of LPDDR5 RAM, both of which can be upgraded up to 2 TB with a microSD card. The gadget has a 5-megapixel front-facing camera sensor that supports 1080p video at 60 frames per second. Additionally, it supports THX spatial audio and two-way speakers with 2 digital microphones. The device's operating system, Android 12L, gives users access to the Google Play Store's vast selection of apps and games. The portable gaming device comes pre-installed with launchers for Xbox Cloud Gaming, NVIDIA GeForce Now, Steam Link, and other cloud gaming services. There are 2 variations of the product: Razer Edge Wi-Fi and Razer Edge 5G. The Wi-Fi model, which costs $399, will only be sold through Razer.com and Razer store locations in the US. On the other side, Verizon will be the only place to purchase the 5G variant, which is priced at $599. The gadget will be available for purchase in the US starting on January 26. What do you think about the new game handheld from Razer? Write your opinion. I will be interested to know it. Have a nice day and see you soon.